Hi everyone, today I'm back with a new French lesson. So just like every month I will teach you today some basic French, so like pronunciation, grammar and also vocabulary. So let's start with some pronunciation. So today we're going to learn the sound un. So this sound can be found in a lot of French words but can be spelled in different ways, so we are going to look at them today. So you will hear this sound with those two spellings, so un. But be careful, you will add the sound un with this spelling only if this is at the end of a word. So here's some example. Chacun, parfum. So that will be all for the pronunciation part, so now let's learn some grammar. So today we are going to learn how to form a negative sentence in French. So you will have to use a different kind of construction where you will have to use those negation. Ne pas, ne plus, ne jamais, ne rien, ne personne. So those negation will be placed around the verb, so conjugate one, and you will be able to form some negative sentences from affirmative ones. So for example, let's take this affirmative sentence, Mon frère attrape la balle. And using the construction we saw before, you could have those negative sentences. Mon frère n'attrape pas la balle. Mon frère n'attrape plus la balle. Mon frère n'attrape jamais la balle. But you can also have Mon frère n'attrape jamais rien. And for the last negative form, you could use in these sentences, Je n'ai prévenu personne. So be careful if ne is placed before a verb starting with a vowel, we will just use this spelling instead of ne, because it will make the sentence a little more fluid and natural for French. So that will be all for the grammar part for today. So now we are just going to look over the few words we saw during this lesson and learn their meaning. Chacun, parfum, mon frère, attraper, balle, rien, prévenir, personne. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below, and of course if you have any question you can still ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next month with a new French lesson. Bye!